Ever sneezed and found a hint of blood in your mucus? Don't panic just yet, it's more common than you think. But why does it happen? Well, the culprit is often dry air. When your nasal passages are dry, they're more prone to small breaks and bleeds. A forceful sneeze can cause these tiny blood vessels to rupture, leading to the sight of blood in your mucus. Have a humidifier handy, especially during winter. It helps keep your nasal passages moist and less susceptible. If you're still seeing blood, it's time to visit your doctor. Remember, a little vigilance goes a long way. Stay aware, stay healthy. Until next time, take care of that nose.